What's up everyone, this is Kirby. I'm going to be showing you how I've been keeping my skin hydrated and luminous using Mielle Organics' new pomegranate and honey skincare line. I'll be pushing my hair back to keep it out of the way so that it doesn't get wet as I'm applying products and also as I am rinsing away products. I worked hard to straighten it, so I'm wanting to hold on to it and make sure that it doesn't get wet. Now that that's done, we can get started with the skincare. The first thing that I'll be doing is cleansing my face. I'm going to be using Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey 2-in-1 Face Scrub and Cleanser. This cleanser is so great. It helps to exfoliate the skin and cleanse your pores by removing dirt, oil, and impurities. You can feel the tiny little microbeads as you are moving it around your face. I always like to make sure that I don't neglect my eye area, so I always use my ring finger to massage and make sure that I'm getting my chin and neck. And you can feel a bit of mint within the product, which is great for helping to promote blood circulation and plump the skin. And as you can see, my face is already looking great and already has moisture. Second step, I'll be using the hydrating face mask, which gently cleanses your pores, resulting in a radiant glow. You can use the spatula that comes with it, but for me, I prefer to use this foundation brush. I like to use this because I get a more even distribution of the product. As well, it helps me to get around the contours of my face. My favorite thing about this mask is how hydrating it is, and it tightens my pores. As you can see, I'm applying it under my eyes. I have normal to dry skin, and one of my main dry areas is underneath my eyes, and this has helped tremendously by keeping my face moisturized. I use it twice a week, and you only have to leave it on about 5 to 7 minutes. And once you're done, you just rinse it away with warm water. Since I've been using this line, it has definitely done great things for my dry skin and given me so much more confidence when I walk around without makeup on. I love it because look at my skin. I mean, come on, you can barely see my pores anymore. My skin looks illuminated, and all I've done is use the face wash and the mask thus far. Which brings us to our third step. I'll be applying the illuminating face lotion with SPF 15, which moisturizes and hydrates the skin, leaving it soft and smooth. I love, love, love this face lotion. A little bit goes a long way. So you'll see this little squirt is actually too much. I'm gonna have to work it into my skin, but I'm okay with that because I apply it all over my face and usually down my neck. My daughter uses this every day, and so do I. I absolutely love it. I use it twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. Once I've massaged it into my skin, I like to just allow the warmth of my palms just to soak it into my skin, and you can see how illuminated my skin looks. It looks healthy and has like this beautiful glow to it. Just, I'm telling you, it's everything. And now for my favorite product in the entire line, which is the Revitalizing Face Serum. I get so many compliments on my skin whenever I take pictures or am just walking around on a daily basis without makeup and I'm using this serum. My skin looks so radiant and so glowy, and it's so moisturized, and a little bit of this serum also goes a long way. I normally use about 3 drops of it, and as you can see, those 3 drops give my skin such a luminous, beautiful glow. And it always, always, always makes my makeup application look absolutely flawless. I am so in love with the products because they are so hydrating for the skin, which is very, very important. Look at my skin. I love it. So you can find these products at www.mielleorganics.com, and they are actually having a sale, so make sure that you go and check it out. Last but not least is the Stretch Mark Cream, which absorbs into the skin so beautifully. I am blessed not to have any stretch marks in places that you can't see. The ones where I do have them, trust me, you don't want to see it on camera. It locks in moisture and it helps to reduce the appearance of stretch marks, and you can see how beautifully and easily it absorbs into the skin. Comment below, let me know, have you tried the Mielle Organic skincare line yet? Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next video.